Now let us consider some more questions where the laws of exponents are used. Let's say we are having a sum here, 2 cube into 2 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 2 divided by 32. Now this is a question, 2 cube into 2 to the power 7 into 2 square divided by 32. So here in the numerator you find that the bases are all same. If the bases are same, we can add the powers. So this will become 3 plus 7 plus 2, and in the denominator you have a number 32. Now you have to find the prime factors of 32. So 2 goes 16 times, again 2 8 times, 2 goes 4 times, 2 twice, and finally 2 1. So you will find that 32 has got prime factors which is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's. So I can write 32 as 2 to the power 5. So this implies 2 to the power numerator, when I am adding this, 3 and 7 will give me 10, 10 plus 2 will give me 12. So we have 2 to the power 12 upon 2 to the power 5. So we have made use of the laws of exponents. Number 1, we have added the powers when it was multiplication. Now here in this case we find that the base is same, but now it is division. So we are going to use the second law, x to the power a upon x to the power b is equal to x to the power a minus b. So this implies 2 to the power 12 minus of 5. We have to subtract the powers when the bases are same and it is division. So this is going to be 2 to the power 12 minus 5, we are going to get 7. So final answer will be 2 to the power 7. So these are some questions where we have used the properties of laws of exponents. Let us consider some more examples of the same type. Let's say we are having a question, 16 into 2 to the power 2 into 5 divided by 125 into 3 to the power 2 into 4. Now this is a question which has to be simplified. So here again there is a number 16. We can find out the factors of 16. 2 8s, 2 4 times, 2 2s are 4. So we see that 16 is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4 2's. So I can write 16 as 2 to the power 4 into 2 square as it is into 5 upon the number here is 125. Find out the factors of 125. 5 goes 25 times, 5 5s are, so you find that 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3 into 3 square, and 4 is 2 into 2, that's 2 square. So we have expressed everything in form of this factorized form and we have put the relevant powers. Now see, there is a 2 square here and a 2 square here, that's cancelling. Here we are having 2 to the power 4 into 5. Now this 5 has got a power 1, 5 cube into 3 square. Now the base here is same, so I can subtract this. So this will become 5 and the power here I am bringing it down, 3 minus 1 into 3 square. So this is going to be 2 to the power 4, that's 16. 3 minus 1 is 2, so 5 square, that's 25 into 9. Now nothing is cancelling, so we get the answer as 16 upon 25 into 9, that will give me 225. So the final answer of this will be 16 upon 225. Yes, here we are having a question of the same type where the laws of exponents have to be used. That is 2 square into 3 square to the power of 0. Now here 2 square implies this is 4 into 3 square implies this is 9 to the power of 0. So this is 36 to the power of 0. And as we have seen in the laws that any number expressed to the power of 0 will give you a result of 1. As it is, we could have directly said the answer is 1 because this entire bracket has got a power of 0. So whenever we are having a power 0, the final result will be 1. So we could have a question like this. Let's say 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 0. So all these are power zeros. So this will be 1. This will also be 1. This will also be 1. So final answer we are going to get 3. So this is how we solve questions when the powers are 0. What about those questions where there are two powers? Let's say 2 to the power 5 whole to the power of 7. Now here we have two powers. Now whenever we have two powers like this, please remember that these powers will be multiplied. So this will be 2, 5 into 7. The powers are multiplied. So 2 remains as it is. The powers 5 into 7 will be multiplied. We get 2 to the power of 35. Let us consider some more questions where there are double powers. Let's say the question is 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square whole to the power of 2. Now here we will solve this. This is going to become 4. This is going to become 9 and this is going to become 1. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 and 1 square remains 1 itself whole to the power of 2. 9 and 4 is 13. 13 plus 1 gives us 14. So we get 14 square, that is 196. So we can easily solve this. But if we are having, let's say, a question of the same type with variables. So let's say we have x square plus 2x square plus 5x square whole raised to the power of 5. Now in this question, what are we going to do? We are going to add these. So x square and 2x square will give us 3x square. 3x square and 5x square will give us 8x square. So we get 8x square to the power of 5. So this implies that 8 is also to the power of 5 and x square is also to the power of 5. So this can be simplified as 8 raised to the power 5, and here remember that the powers are going to be multiplied. So the power here is 2 and the power here is 5. When we multiply, we are going to get x raised to the power 10. So we get 8 raised to the power 5 and x raised to the power of 10.